Hi, I'm Chef Peter. Today we are making an oyster stuffing. Here we go, our oyster stuffing. Our main ingredients for this dish are half cup oysters, 1 cup bacon, a half red onion, quarter white wine, a half butter, 4 tablespoons of Louisiana hot sauce, a half chopped up parsley, 4 tablespoons of dried thyme, 4 tablespoons dried sage, 1 tablespoon nutmeg, 3 cups of cubed bread. For our oyster stuffing, we start off with the bacon and saute it nicely in the pan. We want the bacon to be cooked, nice crispy. When we got about the right consistency, then we're gonna go add our red onions to it, our fine diced red onions. Then we add our butter and bring it all to a melt. Then we add our dry ingredients, the thyme and the sage and the nutmeg. By the time the butter is melted, we can go ahead and add our white wine and bring all of this to a very nice boil. Then we add our hot sauce, pepper, and salt, and our parsley. Can take all our mix and put it over our breadcrumbs. The bread will soak up all the juices. At the end, we add our oysters to it. And now we're putting all our stuffing in a fire-resistant form in which we can bake it in the oven. Our stuffing was in the oven for about 30 minutes right now, and it should be ready, nice and golden brown. And here we go, our beautiful oyster stuffing.